Now, it's the time to welcome our school principal, Dr. V.V.R. Murthy, to present the annual report to the huge watching world of this festive occasion. Please, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Failure will never overtake me if my destination to success is strong enough. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us do not have equal talent but an equal opportunity to develop our talent. Esteemed Chief Guest of the Day, Sri Hardeep Ji, Guest of Honor Sri Sanjay Ji, Dr. Shubhranshu Shekhar Patnaik, Dr. Lipika Maharana, Dr. Vinay Mudgal, Secretary Sri Kailash Ji, Treasurer Sri Kailash Ji, and rest all dignitaries on the dais, beloved members, respectful teachers, above all, my dear students and parents. I take this pleasure in welcoming you all on 30th Annual Day and the Carnival 24. As we have approached to the end of academic year and our 30 years of service towards providing quality education since our inception in 1994, I take two opportunities to thank the Almighty Lord for the abundant blessings and guidance for our godly parents, students, teachers and well-wishers. There is a great saying that education is one thing that no one can take away from you. I repeat, education is one thing no one can take away from you. As we share our yearly updates of our activities, we take the modest to say that we did our best, we have planned, and we are proud of our students, teachers who strive too hard and active beyond expectations. Since the opening of the school till today, we have many success stories. Since, as I repeat, 2 UPSC selected, 35 doctors and 35 doctors, out of which 14 have already completed. More than 200 CS and 350 engineers, above all, many entrepreneurs who have appointed some of them to work under them. Our children are stayed around the globe. The annual report of 2023-24 is as under teachers. We have committed and highly qualified 63 number of teachers to take care from LKG to class 12. Our school results will only reflect the quality of teachers and dedicate toward the school. If you go beyond and see the result of 30 years, that will reflect the quality of the teachers what we have. We have to say about that our sub-staff sums to 50 and the school has its own 10 buses moving in all directions, and we are planning more 3 in 2024-25. Teaching announcement program. Teachers are also learners. Staying updated is kept key to success in many fields. Especially in education, our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops, webinars. I myself completed the workshop of NCF and NEP 222 and do train the teachers in many schools, and our teachers have completed 2 rounds of training in many fields. Our teachers do attend maximum programs as and when conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education. Affiliation. If you speak of affiliation, I do remember the first day of affiliation and our first batch wrote the exam under our banner. It was a big success and a matter of proud that our school has been affiliated up to 2030 April. CCA, co-curricular activities provides children's opportunity to showcase their talent. House-wise and open house competitions are conducted, and all the children are awarded on the Children's Day, that is on the birthday of Chacha Nehru. Library, as you all know, library is the storehouse of knowledge. To meet the individual needs, we have all the books starting from mythology, competitive, and fiction stories. Last but not the least, many reference books. Computer lab, as a part of teaching with the books and copies, the school is equipped with smart boards having latest version from LKG to class 12. I do repeat, we have the smart boards from LKG to class 12 each and every class. The children enjoy the animations of lessons and understand with clear vision. Academics, coming to the academics, we have 2 unit tests, 1 half yearly and 1 year-end exam. To measure the academic standard of the child, our result declaration day, we sit with the parents and personally solve the problems of each and every one. We cherish and thankful to the parents for their cooperation, their constructive suggestions and impart quality education. Ladies and gentlemen, along with these, various events are celebrated with lot of vigor and fun. Some of them are Independence Day, Teachers Day, Grandparents Day, and many more. To showcase the love and affection toward the students and the children, various competitions are organized on Children's Day, that is 14th November. The annual sports was inaugurated by IIC Kantabanji with a spectacular show and various events were conducted and winners were awarded with medals and certificates on the closing day of annual ceremony by our managing members. To make children more active, excursion was conducted. It is a very, frankly speaking, this time excursion was something different. First time I was able to take 100 children in school bus from Kantabanji to Bhubaneswar, Puri and all, and we stayed for 4 days. Thanks to all the leading teachers who went with me and supported me wholeheartedly. To make the children more active, Scout and Guide is also part of our system. I want to reflect that every year more than 20 children get their Governor Award from holy hands of our Governor in their Rajya Bhavan. NCC, the NCC is another feather of a cap in the school. Every year more than 25 children take part in all the activities organized by the battalion and they prove that they are the future savior of the country. Achievement 2023-24. Year 2023-24 was a blessing of the school. The result declaration day of CBSE class 10 and 12 was something different. Like every year, 100% result with 5 students scoring 90% above and 10 in class 10 and 3 children scoring 90% above in class 12. Master Rakshak Meher scored 95.2%. I am proud to say that he is our hosteler and he stayed in the hostel from class 2 and he stayed up to class 10. It proves that educational hostel is also too good and in class 12, Miss Rimjim Agarwal scored 95%. I am very happy to say the pass percent from last 30 years is ranging from 98 to 100. And since last 30 years, I really salute to all my teachers from LKG to class 12 who take active part in providing the education and proving that the result is something different. In sports, it is a matter of pride again I want to say, in sports our school provides the highest number of state level players in Balangir district every year. The amount of prize money every year the school gets from district education officer from last 3 years is continuing. At last but not the least, none of the achievement would have been possible without the single-minded committee, single-minded commitment and dedicated care of our teachers. We are also constantly encouraging by the parents and well-wishers. We have shown much confidence and giving their fullest support. I wish to the knowledge and effort and guidance of our management and their collaboration and contribution has made a difference. I tell you again, our management is completely different from any management. I have seen from last 30 years in many schools. It is an awesome management of our school which reflects comparing to all other institutes wherever I have went. Finally, I want to conclude my annual report with a small quote. If you are planning for a year, sow a rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant a tree. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir, for the garland of your achievements. Thank you so much, sir.